Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you are new, and today we are doing one of my all-time favorite videos. I wait all year long to make this video, and it is the 2021 Fall Clean and Decorate with me. I've gone a little bit of a different style this year, and I can't wait to share that with you and kind of explain the background behind how I even came to this style. But first things first, we've got to set the cozy fall mood and get the vibes going, and I'm starting with a hot cup of coffee and just gonna top it with some whipped cream and a little caramel drizzle in one of my favorite fall mugs. And then the other way that I like to set the mood is by filling my diffuser with some spicy, cozy fall essential oils. I don't use candles anymore, and I'll kind of explain why a little later in the video, but I do miss candles in the fall, and I used to love the Bath & Body Works fall candles, and I have this list of ways to duplicate those candles by using essential oils, and the one I'm gonna do today is the pumpkin donut shop candle. These oils smell just like the candle. It smells so good. I will have this diffuser and these exact oils linked in the description box below for you guys. You no longer have to get a starter kit in order to buy from Young Living. You can just order like a normal website. It's super easy. So I'm going to start in the entryway, and I'm using my Thieves Household Cleaner Concentrate to just dust everything.
Without you.
Okay, so let's talk about my different style that I think that I've settled on and what I want to go with in my house. I've touched on it in a previous video and mentioned it there, but I have kind of struggled to find the style that is me. And I've kind of mixed and matched, or I've struggled with like wanting to stay on trend and all of these things, and I just got tired of it all and decided that I want to be 100% me. And Andrew and I both settled on coastal modern. We feel like that is who we are and what we love and what sparks joy. He grew up in Charleston, South Carolina, so it just makes sense for him. I lived there for a year, and I was very against coastal. For some reason, when I thought of the word coastal, I thought of like really cheesy fish and seashells and things like that. And then I discovered modern coastal, and I actually love it. It's the neutrals that I love. It's very calming, crisp and clean. So that I think is what we're gonna do. And I'm not actually there yet in my home, but we are slowly going to be transitioning into that. And so with that in mind, I wanted to kind of find fall decor that complemented that. And so that's kind of what I came up with in this video, and I'm really excited to show you guys. You'll have to let me know what you think. So I'm going to do my best and try and let you guys know where I got some of these decor pieces. I know for sure I got a lot from Hobby Lobby. So this entryway table is from Wayfair. This lamp is from Target. And then these brown vases are from Hobby Lobby, along with the stems. Of course, Hobby Lobby is the best place to get candlesticks. These were 50% off, so I snagged them. I've actually wanted them for a little while, and I think they kind of go with the coastal theme. And then these pumpkins are also from Hobby Lobby. Into the living room, now we're going to start by cleaning up toys. There's always toys on the floor in here, and Andrew and I actually decided recently that we're probably not going to allow the kids to keep many toys up here. If they want toys, they're all going down to the basement, and they're welcome to go down there, grab some toys, and bring them up. But their main home is now going to be in the basement because this living room area just gets too destroyed if we try and keep toys up here. This mantle used to give me a lot of trouble because we have the TV up here and it is so close to the mantle itself. It's just been really hard for me to figure out how to decorate it, but I think I've kind of figured it out, and I really, really love it now. First thing I'm doing is taking all of the normal decor down, and I'm just going to give it a good wipe down with my Thieves cleaner. So on Instagram, I gave a little sneak peek of my fall decor, and one question I got was, where is this wheat from? And I actually found it at HomeGoods, but I've seen it other places too, so just kind of look around and see if you can find some. I know Hobby Lobby has some as well. The white and kind of beige vase is from Hobby Lobby. This white one is from Target. This little wood tray is, I think, from Hobby Lobby. And I did have to play around with the mantle to figure out what I wanted. And you'll see when I do the final sweep to show you guys what everything looks like, I did change it one more time and I did not capture that on camera. These little brown stems are my all-time favorite for fall this year. I actually got a lot of them and you'll see them all over my house, but they are from Hobby Lobby. So for the breakfast nook, I actually am going to show you guys two different ways that I decorated this little tray here. This tray is from Target. I'm pretty sure they still have them, but this was my first vision. I had to go to TJ Maxx and pick up this little black vase, but this is exactly what I was envisioning with the wheat, the black vase. My vision was to have a real orange pumpkin, but when I filmed this video, pumpkins were not out yet. So I just popped in this kind of metallic looking pumpkin and I actually loved it. It kind of gives me some Pottery Barn vibes, glams it up a little bit. And then again, I'm kind of playing with things until I figure out what I like, but I ended up just making it simple and using these little brown stems that I showed you earlier on the mantle, and they're from Hobby Lobby. I feel like I'm kind of going through something in my life where, I don't know, I've been striving to just, at 30 years old even, figure out who I am, and it's so easy to see other people, see what they're doing, feel like you need to keep up with them, or you're gonna fall behind, or they're not gonna like you. And I don't know, just the last month or so, I've really just been wanting to be authentically me and do things not because of what other people want from me or what I think other people want from me, what I think they're gonna like, but I want to do it because it's something that I want to do or something that is best for me and my family. I just wanted to share that with you guys because I feel like I'm not alone in this, and I don't think that I'm the only one who struggles with these things, but I would love to encourage you guys to kind of try this with me and just really stop and listen to your heart and then make decisions and do things based off of what fills your soul and what makes you happy. And maybe even ask yourself, is what I'm doing or the decision I'm making because it's what I want to do, or is it because I think it's what other people want, or what's going to make other people happy, or what's going to make me fit in? And if it's the latter, it might be time to reevaluate that decision. Because listen, life is short, and it is too short to be worrying about things. At the end of the day, what's really important? Is it the way your house looks? Is it the way that you dress? Or is it you being happy, you being kind to other people, making sure that other people are taken care of, your family is taken care of, that your children feel loved? To me, those are the most important things, and those are the things that I want to focus on. The living room area is one that kind of came together and was a total surprise to me. I didn't really know which direction I was going, and when I was decorating for fall, a lot of my stores still did not have their fall decor out. And I did have some decor from the years past, but it's not really the style that I'm wanting to go with anymore. So I just was kind of stuck and felt at a loss. But I went to TJ Maxx, and the only pillows they had were these kind of gold mustard colored pillows. And at the store I was like, well, these are weird, but they were the only fall pillows I could find. So I grabbed them, and when I put them on my couch and paired it with this pillow that was actually from my bed, and then placed it with this throw blanket from HomeGoods, and then I did steal this centerpiece from the breakfast nook just temporarily, just for the whole effect. I thought everything came together, matched really well, complemented each other, and I actually was pleasantly surprised with the final results. But the reason that I'm only temporarily putting this centerpiece on the ottoman is because my kids would destroy it, pick it to pieces, break things. So this centerpiece is going to stay on the breakfast nook, but if guests come over, or I just want everything to look nice and cohesive, then it looks really pretty on this ottoman. So that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, for hanging out with me today. I hope this video was inspiring and maybe motivating you to get up and clean your house or to decorate for fall. It definitely doesn't have to be extravagant or all out, but a few touches definitely makes me happy at least. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do so now. I would love for you to be a part of our YouTube family. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. I also have a wellness Instagram account at simplyessentials_Allie. And there I talk about non-toxic living, share DIYs, a lot of fun stuff. And stay tuned, there's going to be more fall cleaning and decorating coming. So turn your notifications on because you definitely don't want to miss that. All right, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.